Here we have the squirrel enjoying himself. And he's off. Here we have the first of the birds. Starling up there. Here it is, and it's very early in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning at September, Sunday, September. Here we have the doves arriving. All the birds are beginning to arrive now. Here we have the doves, they've arrived. Here we are, starling back again, enjoying some of the old fat ball here. And we have some of the doves here this morning, and sparrows, enjoying. Well, here comes a big pigeon now. He'll soon upset the old apple cart. They'll turn up this time of the morning, see, and then they'll come back about 3 o'clock this afternoon, according to how the sun is. We've got the big pigeon here now, see that? They're all part of the ecosystem. We're waiting for the squirrel. Where's the squirrel? They tell us there's a shortage of sparrows, but certainly not in my garden. Here we go, look, there's another one. Another sparrow. He's enjoying the fat ball. I chopped up the peanuts this morning. Hopefully we'll get the squirrel. Now another sparrow, enjoying the fat ball. Come on squirrel, where are you? Well, it seems like the rush is over. That's our feeding time, now they've all gone. So half an hour of eating, then they go off and find food in other places. Looks like the birds are back again. They seem to come and go in little waves. Sparrows and the small doves. As I see pigeons, little pigeons, doves turn up, yeah, they're all here now because they think, oh, it's safe. I don't realise, of course, that I'm up here in the computer room, videoing them. Oh, they've gone mad. Still no squirrel though. Oh, this big fat starling up there having a go at the bat balls. They love them bat balls. Here we have sparrows exploring this nesting box. Let's hope they decide to set up home in there. Looks good. Here we have the squirrel enjoying himself. And he's off.